So hello friends, we are back and let us understand that how to do review of literature. So suppose we are on the Google Scholar window, okay, and I want to do a review of literature on the topic say consumer behavior. So once I type here consumer behavior, you can see it shows me the relative researchers with regard to consumer behavior. And suppose I scroll down and I find this paper to be interesting, and I will do a right click as I want to further understand this paper more. I want to do a review on this paper more. So the name of the paper is The Transformation of Consumer Behavior. Now as I scroll through the paper, these are the researchers. So once you have already added the citation in the references, the second thing we have to cite it also while we are doing review of literature. So for example, I'll show you review of literature done in this paper. Okay, so it starts with a line say the emergence of new information and communication technologies, ICTs, higher level of wealth and more leisure time, and the changes in values and lifestyles due to a new consciousness regarding one's own needs as well as regarding social responsibilities have led to a new breed of tourism consumers. So the new consumers of tourism products and services are far more informed, more independent, more individualistic and more involved. And then comes the citation. So this is how you have to cite. So this is only the surname of the author and the year. Two things will always have to be cited while you do the citation. One, as I said, the surname of the author, and second is the year. So these two things have to be cited. Similarly, so these are the views of this particular author but written by them in their own words. And at last they have just enclosed the name in the bracket. This is the way you can cite the work of different authors. Similarly, in addition, the new travelers are used to having many choices, expect speed and use technologies to overcome the physical constraints of bodies and borders. However, consumer behavior has also become increasingly contradictory. Again these views are of this author, okay, which have been presented in the words of these authors. So the idea is that you are not supposed to copy paste. Similarly, many travelers are trading up and are more willing than ever to pay for luxury travel experiences. At the same time, they will fiercely search the web for the best deal on hotel rooms and flights. Travel behavior has also become more unpredictable. A traveler who bought an organized city sightseeing tour the previous year might engage in a month-long trekking adventure the year after. So this is how you will cite. Similarly, there are more citations. For example, here, so two authors in two different journals, their researchers are put together because the views might be similar. The new travelers are empowered by the internet, which provides them with easy and cheap access to various information sources and extended communities. So both of their views are put together here. That also can be done. Similarly, continuing further, again the work of different authors you can see is it is always supposed to be in the bracket with the surname of the author and the year, two things which become important. For example, almost 85% of US internet users seek information through search engines, and recent UK based study indicates that over 40% of the travel websites visits come via search engines. So these are the views laid into of maybe the websites or maybe the some web portals. So their name and the year is being mentioned here. The author may not be known, so therefore they have just acknowledged the name of the portal or say a website. So this is the one way of doing. Again, marketing researchers and economists alike have drawn attention to the experiential nature of goods and services. Again, the work of two authors have been collaborated because they might be talking on the similar lines. The second way of presenting the work of the other authors is where you begin with their name. Norton is the surname, 2003 is the year, argues that consumer, so here you can use different words, describes, explains, concludes, presents, compares, So different things depending upon the kind of work they have said argues that consumer demand has evolved from a focus on products and services that convey a certain brand image in the 1980s and themed brand experiences in the 1990s to a new emphasis on meaningful consumption experiences in the new millennium. This shift has resulted from a general decline in cultural capital, family, health, safety, well-being, etc. Whereas consumption was previously a means for building and displaying wealth, consumers increasingly seek opportunities to create cultural capital through the purchase and use of products and services. So likewise, where you begin with their name and then you present the whole thing, what they have talked about. Okay, that is also a way how you cite the work of different authors. And similarly, the detailed citation, as we have learned in our earlier video, will be presented at the end of it in the references section. So I hope this would have helped all of you. So do your review of literature and let me know how you found this information. Thank you. Bye bye.